Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the client truly controls the ad account and billing. Ask for the account ID, payment method, and an official business email. This prevents later disputes. Also get explicit written permission, an email from the client or a signed authorization form. That's your legal and operational green light. Once you have those, create your agency or manager profile in the ad platform because you'll need that identity to request access and to be visible on their access logs. Next, use the platform's official manager or business settings to send the access request. Don't share passwords. Select the precise role: admin for full control, advertiser for campaigns, analyst for reporting, because permissions affect billing and responsibilities. Attach the client's written authorization or forward their confirming email within the request notes to speed approval. Once requested, notify the client to approve from their account and monitor the platform notifications. So after access is approved, immediately configure billing, attach pixels, and set conversion tracking so campaigns run correctly. These steps link results to spend and measurement. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and review the user activity logs to detect anomalies. Security prevents future problems. If the client denies or access fails, don't panic. Re-verify ownership documents, confirm the exact account ID, and resend the official request with the client watching the approval screen. That usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.